Welcome to, or back to watch the ads. I'm still ads, and things have progressed a little bit since last we spoke. The reason I haven't been making many videos about it is because I'm not really that informative, and I've been doing little bits and pieces. It hasn't really been a continuous thing. It's been a few hours here and a few hours there. But what I'll do is I'll do a little montage now of the bits that I have done, just so that you can catch up and see where we've got to so far. So yeah, cue the montage, like the 80s. I'll see if I can find some 80s music for it as well. Okay, let's have a little look. Okay, first thing on my agenda, I think, is going to be to cut this 800 unit down to fit there. So I'm going to mark it all up, all the way around, and I'm literally just going to hack the back off. Let's get in. Never done anything like this before. Well, one or two things will happen on it. It'll fit or it won't. And this is where we are now. I've taken the bed back down again because I still have to box off inside these cartouche, recessed, rebate, whatever, kicked back areas. So I've still got to box them in. But today's mission, the fan arrived. Boom. There's lots of videos on the internet about how to fit these properly. I'm going to go and do my best. But don't take anything I say as gospel. I wouldn't if I was you. What I've done is I've made a frame. Full disclosure, I've made 4. That's the only one that got even somewhere close to being usable. I've marked out the corners of where it's going to go. I'm going to pop some holes through, and I'm going to go up on the roof, join those dots up, cut the hole out. It's that simple. It's that simple. Ha! Right. So let's have a look here. So I've got me 4 holes. Unfortunately, they are down in the dip, so I'm going to have to go on the outside of them. Like this. This is the thinnest Sharpie in the world, so I'm gonna have to bring my A game trying to see it to be on it, won't I? Okay, so what I've done is I've drawn the line round, as you can see, on the outside of those holes, and then so that should be what I've got to cut. Yeah, that didn't make any sense. I just said words and none of them made any sense. That should have with, do, in a, what's it, with a thing, on a something. The problem I've got here is this lip. I don't know if I need mastic tape or not. I think CT1 will do it. I'm going to go with CT1. You got your keys? Oh, I thought they were in my pocket. That's Jet moaning, if nobody heard that. It's Jet whinging. Right, I've been procrastinating long enough. We're going to go tape up the inside, because you don't want that swarthy gear flying all over your van. So when it comes to cutting this in here, what I'm going to do is, luckily the MAXXFAN comes with a very handy bag, so I'm going to glue sellotape that on here for a minute, then go up and do the rest. Huh? How do you like my roof bag? Roof bag. So yeah, I'm gonna go upstairs now. I've got to stop putting it off. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go up there and just cut a hole in the fan. That was not good. Right, so I've cut the hole, wedged it in. I also put a piece of that up while I was waiting to see where the lights are going to go. Quite impressed with that. So that should be holding there for a minute. I haven't let it set. I haven't let the adhesive set. I've just used sticks like shit. But for up the top, we'll go with a bit of that gear. Come highly recommended. So I'll give that a go. Right. Here we are. So. No, I don't really like the way it fits. It's a little bit of a lump round this side, so what I'm going to do is going to CT1 the cack out of it, and then I've got to pilot all these, drill it down, and I think then we should be something like it. As long as I get enough gear in it, I don't think it will leak, I hope. Right, I haven't made it very pretty, but I've gone for function over form, if I'm honest. Cover these up, don't want them leaking. Had a look round, can't see any gaps. I think we're good. Let's have a little bit more over this corner, just to be on the safe side. Like I said, I'm not worried about how it looks. I won't be looking at it much. Can't really touch the camera because I've got VT1 all over my fingers. But the acid test now is whether or not that's twisted, which I think it is, or whether or not the fan's just going to go straight on. I can't see why it won't, to be honest. Let's try. I didn't even get a chance to press record, it just fell in. Now the acid test is to see if we can get these holes to line up here or not. So far not. Oh, mate, oh, one thing after another. It'll be alright. Positive mental attitude, innit? Or something they say. See you in a bit. How the f doesn't that fit? thing. Little bit of brute force and ignorance, I think. Just pushed it down on an angle, lipped it in, let the screw do the rest. Ah, you feckin' beauty. I mean, I got CT1 all over it now. I'm gonna have to. Oh, look at that. Can you do it in a oneer? Oh, absolute beaut. Absolute beaut. Got a bit of CT1 round that side stuck on it. I'll get that off. I'm quite pleased with that. I've just got to see if it works. Not sure how good these connectors are going to be, but let's give it a go. Could do some air in here, look. So we'll connect him up, and him up, and him up. Well, it's doing something. It did a thing. Get in. Right, so that's sucking air out. Look at that. How do we turn it off? Just like that. Oh, just gonna play with this for a minute now. And then we'll do air in. Oh my days. Oh, that is monstrous. That's incredible. Well, that's that one done. So I'm going to leave that video there. I'm quite pleased with that. Obviously, I've still got a shed load left to do. I won't film all of it. I've got to tidy things up and put stuff away. I want to make more videos enjoying the van, doing stuff with it, but I thought I'd share this one because I was actually really not looking forward to it. I'll check back in intermittently as I do a little bit more, get a little bit more of the roof up, might do a little bit time-lapsey bits and pieces, but you're probably bored with seeing me try to build stuff now. So I'm going to just plow on, try and get this done, and then we can go out and start enjoying ourselves. There's some places I want to see and stuff I want to do while the weather's getting good. So yeah, cheers for joining me, and I hope you join me on the next one. Like and subscribe if you want, don't worry if you don't, but yeah, enjoy yourselves. Hope you've had a good bank holiday. It's probably way past that by now, but anyway, love you lots, take care, bye.